So panels are off. I'm getting ready to replace the stickers. See how it is now? Quite bad and quite scratched and cracked in the bottom. And that's the better side, but still scratched and quite damaged. I'll try to do a good job to put the new stickers on and buff out the scratches and touch up the paint a little bit. Underneath it looks pretty clean actually. I don't see any other issues like loose wires or leaks or anything. I mean, the headers are rusted, but that's normal. The other side as well looks pretty clean and everything looks in place. Now I'm gonna give it another clean. I don't see any leaks, everything is okay. I'm gonna give it a nice clean and I'll see when I'm done with the replacing the stickers. So fun stuff. Good day today, plus 6 degrees, but still lots of snow outside. Come on spring, you can do it. Ready to rock and roll. Never did this. I'll see how it's gonna go. Okay, stickers off. Some glue still stayed, so I have to clean it now. I guess I did not hit them enough. This is the first attempt. On the second one, you see just not much glue left, a little bit there. So I got better by the second one. I did not know how much heat to apply, but I guess I know now. You know, you have to apply a little bit of heat and then try it and see if it comes off without glue, and then you know if it comes out with glue you need a little bit more heat. But then again, I used the obviously you have to use the hair dryer, but if you go too close then it's melting, so it takes a little bit of control, right? But here it is. Now I'm gonna clean them off really nicely. I'm gonna try to fix this crack over there about the scratches down there. The black ones I won't replace, so I'm just gonna mask them with sponsor stickers. So I think it's gonna be okay for now. That's the biggest crack over there, and other than that, not much. Just a little touch up here and there. You see a little touch up there and there, here, right? Other than that, all good. All right, clean up time. Okie dokie. Kermit says hi. So I think I'm done with the fairings, with the side ones, big ones. I did the best I could. In my opinion, they came out pretty good, considering, right? It's not like I repainted them and, you know, or I did this before, but I am pretty pleased. So what I did, as you guys know, I had to replace the original ones because they were very scratched and damaged, at least by my standards. So I found this company in the UK. It's called the Imageworks, and they did reproduction of the decals. So I did this ones, right? This whole thing all the way down there, and then the white and the white. The black I kept because it's one piece and it would be really, it's a complex shape and everything would be hard to put it back. As you guys know, it had some scratches on the bottom, and I put some other stickers on it, like the Motul and the FOD Sports and my Bluetooth and the oil that I'm gonna use, right? But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy with the reproduction, right? I think I did a decent job. Couple small mistakes. See here, it's a little gap, It was kind of hard to figure it out, the positioning and the angle and everything, and a little bit nervous with the first one, so but you can't really tell that much, right? And then this the second one. Yeah, same thing. The positioning you have to match the two holes, right? And the proper angle, so then the other one, the bottom one, will fit. I think I did a better job on this one. It fits really nice, right? And it bubbled on me on some spots over here, and I had to poke holes and stuff and squeeze it out. This one I positioned it wrong, and then I had to pull it up and pull it back. But I used the soapy water method, so that's you can pull it up once you use the soapy water, right? And then you just have to push the water out under from under the sticker, right? And then stretch it nicely, and I used a little bit of green paint to touch up some of the scratches and the smaller scuffs. And over here where Kermit is now, I had a bigger scratch, a deep one that I could not really touch up without major, you could see it really. So I thought it's funny to put Kermit popping out of there. It's quite cute. And yeah, this is it. So this was my plan, to add a little bit of red. And then that's the reason why I bought the red helmet and red gloves. It adds a little bit of color to the green, and some bike is mostly green with some white and gray and black stripes and design on it. But I think it came out pretty good for a budget build, right? Remember, this is a budget build. I'm not replacing the whole bike with new parts and this and that, and the factory new panels would have been very expensive. They are asking $640, I think, for one piece, so it would have been like almost $1,300 to get this in new, right? So my fix right now, the stickers and everything it's under $200. Right, so I spent $200 to make the panels pretty good, in my opinion. Right, I mean, they're perfect, not perfect, yeah, but it's close to perfect, right? Especially when you look at it, it looks nice and clean and shiny, and I'm very excited to put them back on the bike and start riding soon. Again, this is not going to be a showroom bike. This is going to be a bike that I'm going to ride, right? And I just want to make it look nice. I hope you guys like it. I learned a lot from it, how to put decals and how to take off decals, and it's quite complex. I mean, it's not that easy as it seems. It's like, oh, I just take off decals, put the decals. It's not that easy. Some people hate it. I can't say I enjoy it, but it was a learning process for sure. So here it is. Woohoo! It's coming along.